yellow octagon. It's time for me to bounce you.
I hate being bounced. I hate being bounced, but I'll do it. For the love of the game. The Team Prison. Wait a minute, who's that? I need to use this for my game of catch. Fuck you. Did you get the ball? I got an octagon. It is time to play.
No, guys! Please, give me my octagon!
Do you know what I say to you, little midget simpleton?
What? Thank you for saving me. Can you help me get my octagon back?
I can do this, but only on weekdays. Today it is time for the Diamond Minecart.
Wow, I can't believe that everyone is helping me get my octagon back. Let's go over here and make a plan to get the big bullies to stop.
Oh, so you have came back with stupid minecart and fat cloud. I am not fat, and this guy is not stupid. Why, I oughta just thunder!
Hey! It's me again! I will beat you up if you take this octagon! And here's my other friend, Hairbrain! He will put lightning on you! You are the only one who can do lightning!
Help me!
Oh no! It appears as if they're stronger than us! But we have something that they don't.
What do we have that they don't?
We have my power.
Watermelon has powers?
Yes, but not the powers of two. I have the power to harness the floaters. Yeah, I can do that.
And what happens when you do that?
Well, I get like really strong, so I can probably take that like octagon from them. Then.
Wow, this sounds like a plan. But where do we find floaters?
It appears as if I'm the only floater here.
So what does that tell you, Watermelon?
Of course.
There is going to be some flashing lights after I go away, so if you're sensitive to them, get away from the video, quick! Flashing lights warning.
Wait.
I'm the only one that can, do it. I need to stand up for myself and stop relying on other people. Yes, I am Watermelon and this is what I'm going to do.
You have finally learned, Watermelon. Go now. Go forth and defeat them.
Yeah, bullies! Power off! Take the octagon! Whoa! Where am I going? Oh no!
Ew! I'm gonna sneeze.
No,
Don't sneeze, I'm in here.
Hairbrain, hand the octagon over. I will be forced to beat you up too. What? Wait, no, please don't. Ah! No, I've been stretched. Help me, guys.
will be the ultimate sacrifice.
No! Damn it, minecart! Don't do it!
I've dealt with your kind before, Hero Brain. I'm not afraid of you. I am gonna turn you into water. Oh no. I sure hope that doesn't happen. But...
I'm turning into water! Oh! My eyes! My eyes! My eyes! Quick! Get it! I got it! It's okay, little octagon. You can finally be bounced in peace.
Okay, here I go. I'm ready to get bounced. This is my ultimate goal. Here I go. Whoa, I'm gonna get bounced!